Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to review a phone stabilizer. It's designed by DJI. So this is DJI's new OM4 phone stabilizer. Let's see what we got inside the box. So as soon as you open the box, you will find the packaging of create magnetic moments. So we're going to see that later. So this is the main unit. This is the gimbal itself. We also got a temporary phone holder, a tripod, and a 3C charger to charge your gimbal. So let's see what we have inside these creating magnetic moments. So you'll find a carry pouch. Okay, that's Osmo DJI carry pouch. We got this magnetic device to permanently fit on your phone. To do this right, we have a measuring unit here. So if you try to put this permanent fixture on your phone, please use this one so that give you the measurement and you can do it right. Today I'm not going to attach this permanent attachment on my phone, but I'm going to show you how to attach this temporary attachment on your phone. So before you attach this temporary attachment on your phone, please make sure this dot goes upward direction of your phone. Now I'm going to attach this with the gimbal. You can hear the sound. It's a sweet magnetic attachment sound. To turn the gimbal on, we're going to press this M button, press and hold it for 2 seconds. Now the gimbal is on. So when your gimbal is on, you can change the orientation of your phone by using the M button of your gimbal. So my phone is on landscape mode now, so I want to change it to portrait. I'm pressing the M button twice. So the gimbal changes the orientation of my phone. So I want to go back to landscape, pressing it twice again. It goes back to landscape mode. So if you want to start the video, just press the recording button on your gimbal. That will start recording, and you can use this joystick to maintain the movement of your phone. So you can go upwards, you can go downwards and side by side. So we got a zoom in button on the side, so that will give you zoom in and zoom out by using your gimbal. Back of this gimbal, you'll find a little trigger button. You can use this trigger button for multiple functionality. So single press on this trigger will start tracking the object. If you want to stop tracking, you have to press it once again. Double click on this trigger will recenter the angle of this gimbal. And if you want to stop the tilt movement when recording, you can press and hold this trigger button. So viewers, that's all about unboxing and basic functionality of this DJI OM4. In our next video, we're going to shoot some videos by using this DJI OM4, and we're going to see how it performs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe SCS Infotainment.